Hey guys, in this simple tutorial I will show you how to add a TCP IP printer on Windows 10. And please note, as of October 2025, Windows 10 will be ending support, and when it ends support, you'll not get any security updates. So yeah. So there's two ways you can add a TCP IP printer. You can do it either on settings or on the control panel. Let's do it on the control panel. So right here, click on the Windows logo, and when you hover your cursor on it, it says start. Once you click it, see here, that menu right here, that's the start menu. And same goes to here, which is actually your start key. It's actually this key right here with the Windows icon, the Windows logo. When you press that, see here, when you press that, the start menu will appear. And then, once you do that, type in control panel, so CONTROL, and then press your space bar, PANEL, and then right here, click on this button right here that says control panel and system. So it says control panel and system. And make sure that your spelling is correct so it will appear. If it's not correct, go ahead and change that to control panel if you misspelled something. So make sure you spelled it correctly. So it's right here, control panel and control panel. So click on control panel right here, this button right here. And then this window will appear. Now, right here, click on hardware and sound. It's an icon with a printer. So it's a printer icon right here. So click on that. So click on hardware and sound. And then right here where devices and printers, click on advanced printer setup. And then once you go to this window here, it says searching for printers. So make sure that your printer is plugged in and powered on. And it may appear in this box below. Or if it's not showing up, click on this right here that says the printer that I want isn't listed. And sorry for all the flashing parts, it's because it's an LCD monitor. So I apologize for that. So yeah. Now if we're adding a TCP IP printer, click on this right here that says add a printer using an IP address or host name. So click on that, and then click next. And then it's asking for the device type and host name or IP address. So click the drop down menu right here. And then click on TCP IP device or auto detect. So click on either of these. We'll start with a TCP IP device, and then enter your IP address. So once you are entering the IP address, the port name will have the IP address on there. So yeah. So the IP address must be found on a label of your printer or on the menu of the printer. The IP address location may vary. So yeah. And please note, when entering the IP address, the numbers should start with 192168. So yeah. So make sure to put the starting numbers 192168. So we'll do 192, and make sure to put the dots on there. So in order to do that, press this key right here on your keyboard. You see that? There's a dot right there, and then put in 168. So 192, 168 is the starting numbers, and then put in the dot, and then put in your numbers. We're not going to be putting any numbers here, so we're just going to put a bunch of X's. And don't copy off in the video. The IP address may be different. So, yeah. The X's represent the digits. So, yeah. And then make sure this checkbox here is checked right here. So here, make sure this right here is checked right here. That says, query the printer and automatically select the driver to use. Make sure this is checked. If it's not, go ahead and click on the checkbox. And then click next. And please note, when entering the IP address, you'll see this on the port name right here. So click next. And then, if you go to additional port information, it says the device is not found on the network. Be sure that the device is turned on. The network is connected. The device is properly configured. The address on the previous page is correct. If you think the address is not correct, click back to return to the previous page, then correct the address and perform another search on the network. If you are sure that the address is correct, select the device type below. So if it's incorrect, go back and correct everything and perform another search on the network. If it is correct, select the device type. So let's choose an example here. Let's just choose a generic network card and then click next. And then once you go to this screen right here that says install the printer driver, and it says choose your printer from the list, click Windows Update to see more models. To install the driver from a CD, click Have Disk. So click Have Disk if you have the CD for it, or to see other models, click Windows Update. So let's choose an example here. Let's choose this one here. And then once you choose your printer, click next. And then go ahead and type the printer name. So in order to remove this text right here, go ahead and click your mouse. So press and hold the left mouse button, and then move your mouse to the left. You see here the text is highlighted, and then press your backspace button on your keyboard. And then we'll just put in example. This is an example right here. And then click next. And then printer sharing, if you have if you want to share this printer, click on share this printer. Or if you don't want to share this, click do not share this printer. Share this printer allows others to share the printer from your network. We're going to do share printer for now. And then you can put in the location, for example, like office. So we'll just put office. And I'm going to put example because it's an example location. And then you can put your comment here. We're not going to do that. If you do not want others to share the printer from your network, click on Don't Share This Printer. We're going to select Share This Printer for an example. And then once you choose either Don't Share or Share, click Next. And it says you have successfully added the printer. You can either print a test page or click Finish. So for this example here, we're going to click Finish. And this is how you add a printer on Control Panel. Now I'm going to be showing you how to do it in Settings. Alright, now I'm going to be showing you how to do it in Settings. So, click on the Start button here, which is the Windows logo button right here. So click on that, or press this button right here on your keyboard. And then you can also type in Settings, SETTINGS. See here? Settings and Settings. For this example here, we're gonna scroll down until we find Settings. So go ahead and type Settings right here. And then click on the Settings button right here. And then it will bring you to Settings. Or you can also go ahead and scroll down. And there it is. See here, Settings. Go ahead and click on that. And then right here, click on Devices. Click on this button right here. It says Devices, Bluetooth, Printers, and Mouse. So click on that. And then right here, click on Printers and Scanners. And then right up there, click on Add a Printer or Scanner. And it will search for the printers and scanners. If it does not show anything, click on the printer that I want isn't listed. And you'll go to this window here. So click on Add a Printer using a IP address or host name. And then click Next. And then we'll do auto detect for now. And then, so yeah, we're going to do auto detect. So click either TCP IP or auto detect and then type in the host name or IP address. It's usually found on the label of your printer or on the menu. Host name or IP address location may vary. So the host name, I'm going to put example. Put example. And then the host name or IP address will appear here on the port name. Make sure this checkbox is the checkbox. Sorry. Make sure that this checkbox right here is checked. It says query the printer and automatically select the driver to use. Sorry, I just mispronounced box. Make sure this checkbox right here is checked and then click Next. Now it says contacting printer. Now it's going to go to this, detecting the TCP IP port, so please be patient. And then additional port information. If the address is not correct, go back and change it. Or if it is correct, select the device type below. And then if there's more than one port, I'm going to be showing you how you can do this. So we'll choose this one here and then select Next. And if you go to this screen right here, it says the selected device has multiple ports. Choose the port from the given list. If the port you want to use is not in the list, then go back and change it. or go back to the previous page and make sure that the information that you have entered is correct. So if you're not looking for the right port, then go back and change it. So use this drop down menu here. We're going to use LP1. And then once you have selected the port, click next. Now it's going to communicate with the printer. So please be patient. Same thing. If you have the installation CD, click Have Disk or click Windows Update to see other models. We're going to choose this one right here, and then click Next. If you see this screen, right here, sometimes you may not see this. Click either use the driver that is currently installed, recommended, or replace the current driver. You can choose either one. For this example here, we're going to choose replace the current driver, and then click Next. And then same thing. Click and hold the left mouse button, and then move your mouse to the left, and then hit the backspace key. And then we'll just put in example printer 2. See here, example printer 2. And then once you have put in your printer name, click Next. Now it's going to install the printer. So please be patient. Now choose either share this printer. So share this printer means that if you want to share this printer, you can. Well, actually, share this printer does it if you want more people to share this printer in the network, you can do that. Or if you don't want to share this, click Do Not Share. So yeah, so share this printer. So if you don't know what share this printer does, it allows other people in your network to print stuff. So yeah, for this example here, we're going to choose Do Not Share This Printer. So yeah, share this printer does, it just allows other people in your network to print stuff. So yeah. And then once you choose either one of these, click Next. And then click either Print a Test Page or click Finish. We're going to click Finish. And this is how to add a printer. And this is how to add a TCP/IP printer on Windows 10. And that's it.